Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am going to take maths. So students, as we know that I am teaching maths and we have completed first two topics, first and second. Now we are going to start third topic. So before that I will tell you something. See here, just tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now tell me which numbers are these? Yes, this is one digit number. Okay, you know this 1 to 9 is one digit number. Now 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As you know, this is one digit number, this is two digit number. From 1 to 9 it is one digit and 10 to 20 is two digit. All of you are familiar with this one digit, two digit. Now see here. Generally what happens, one digit, two digit number is up to 99. So 99, okay. This is 99. Up to this you all of you know that is two digit number. Before this I will tell you a short story. Once upon a time there was a boy, when he went with his mother in a shop, there he ordered burger. Before he gave the order, that man, he had given the menu card to his mother. He saw that menu card. In that menu card it was written the price of burger was 135, 150, 160. In this way the numbers were written. So he was very confused. He was knowing that only two digit numbers he know. But what is this three digit number? He was very surprised. What is this all? He was asking his mother, what are these numbers? Then his mother told, these are also three digit numbers. Then his mother had removed a note of 200 rupees. Then again he said, now here also two digit numbers are there, 200 means what is this? Then his mother will tell that it is three digit numbers and we are having this also numbers. Now see here, you know this is tens and this is ones, as we have studied first, tens and ones, okay. Then after 9 this 0 is in ones place and this after 9 10 will come, okay. 0 is in ones place, 10 is in tens place. Now this zero's place value is ones, this zero's place value is tens, tens place value is 0. Now this one we will shift here, okay. Now when this one will come, it will become 100. Yes, now when you will take this will become 100. Means what happen here? 100. Okay, that is 100. Okay children. So in this way we can see there is three digit number, that is 100. When it is a single you will say 100. You won't say 100s because it is 1. So we will say 100. So all of you now see, remove your textbook page number 35 and start with the lesson three digit number. So all of you open your canopies. Now see here, this is three digit numbers. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, that is three digit number. Now you can see here, you know that 10 1 slip is it makes 1 10 slip, means 10 ones it makes 10 1 10 slip. Now see here, represent the number 99 using tenses. Now see here, add one more slip. Now you can see here, How many are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, these are 9 tens. Okay. And these individual are also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Again you are adding here 1. So it becomes 10. Means 9 tens and 9 ones. Then you are going to add 1. Here in this way I will tell you. 9 tens plus 9 ones. Okay. Then plus 1. In this way you are going to do. So it becomes 10 tens. 10 tens means how much? 10 tens means 100 is equals to 100. In this way you can do it. 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. Okay children. So the tens, you can see the blocks I am having. See here, there are blocks as we have shown here. 9 tens. See this. 1, this is 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, this is 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, and 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 tens. You can see these are 9 tens. Now these 9 tens and then 9 ones. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see here these are 9 ones. 9 tens. These are 9 tens. These are 9 ones. So after this, when we are adding again one more ones, we are adding one more ones. This also it becomes 10 ones and 9 tens. So this it becomes total 100. Okay. Now see here, as it is explained in next page. Turn the page. Now see here, you can see how it is here. Now see in this you can see 10 strips makes 100 sheet. Now 10 tens. Now see here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these are 10 strips. These 10 strips it makes 1 sheet. Okay. 10 strips makes 1 sheet. So use 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slips to represent the following number. Now these 10 strips are there. It makes 100 sheet. Means when these 10 strips will come, it will become 100 sheet. In this way you can see this is of 100 sheet. Okay. 10 tens means 100. Okay. Then 20 tens means 200. 10 tens means 1 sheet 100. 20 tens means 200. 30 tens means 300. These are sheets of 100. This is 300 and this 40 tens means 400. You can see this way. These are a sheets, big sheet. Each sheet is having 10 strips. 10, 20, 200, 300, 400. In this way you can see the sheets. So see here down. Now see, use 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slip to represent the following number. Now see here, they have shown here, use 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slips to represent the following number. In this you can see there are 2 sheets. 2 sheet means how much tens? Yes, 20 sheet. 10 tens and 10 tens. That becomes 200. Then this is what? 3 tens. So what will come here? Here it is given. See here. There are 2 hundreds. This is 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and boxes are individual boxes are 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 ones. So 200, 3 tens, 5 ones. In this way you can do this. So you can write it as 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 5 ones or 235. In this way you can write or you can do. So 200, 3 tens and 5 ones is 200 plus 30 plus 5 is equals to 235. 235 is read as 235. To read a 3-digit number, read the hundreds digit first. Now see here, you can write it as 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 5 ones or 235. So 200, 3 tens and 5 ones is 200 plus 30 plus 5 is equals to 235. Then 235 is read as 235 to read a 3-digit number. Then read the hundreds digit first. Now when you are reading the number, you will not read first ones or tens. You will every time you will start with hundreds. While reading you will say 235. Then read the hundreds digit first, then read the tens and ones digit together. In this way they have given the exercise. We will solve the exercise. Now see here. Exercise 1. Now what you will do here? Now here it is 333. How you will do here? You are going to draw 300 means 3 sheets of 30. 300 means 3 sheets, then 3 tens and 3 ones. In this way we will solve it. Now see here. Which is that one? Exercise 1. Okay. Now see. First A is given. 3, 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3. Now what you will do here? You will draw a sheets of 3 sheets. You will draw 300. Okay. In this way, 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay. This 3, 100, 200, 300. This 300. Then what you will do? This is 300. Okay, then what is there? 3 tens. So 10. This is tens. See here, this is 300, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 hundreds, then 3 tens, 3 tens and 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. Okay, in this way we are going to solve exercise 1. First one is given. Now see B1. So draw in this way, children, all of you. $300 and 3 tens and 3 ones. Then how you will write this? We can also write in this way. Hundreds, tens, ones. So what you will write? 3, 3, 3. You can write even 333. Take down this fast. In this way you can write even like this. 333. That is also 300 plus 30 plus 3. Take down this fast. $333, 235. You can read it as 333. You can write it also in words. This you can write 333. The next example. $446. 446. Now how we will do this? Four sheets. 1, 2, 3. 4 it is not possible. Wait. One, 2, 3, 4. How many sheets are there? 4. Okay, 400. So this is called 400. Then how many tens? 4 tens. One, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 4 tens. Okay, now four tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 ones. Okay. See how you will read? 400. 4 sheets are there. Then 4 tens and 6 ones. In this way you will do. Then 100 tens and ones. Then how you will write here? First one finish everyone. Now what you will do? So 400 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones, or you can write 4, 4, 6. In words, how will write? 446. 6. That is also you can write in this way. 400 plus 40 plus 6. Take down this B1. 400, 4 tens, 6 ones is 400 plus 40 plus 6. This in a number name you can write this 446 in this way. 446. Finish everyone. Second one. Now C1. We will see C1 next. Now C1 next. 255. Now C1. 255. Now can you tell me what you will do here? How to do? How many sheets? 5 sheets? No. Then yes, correct. 2 sheets. Okay, you will do 2 sheets. Then here how will do? In this way 2 sheets. Okay, that is 200s. 200s. Then 5 tens. So you will draw 5. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So this is called 5 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Individual are 5 ones. Then how you will write this? Hundreds. Hundreds. tens, ones. So what will come here? 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so write down this, children, fast. Then 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones. 5 ones is 200 plus 50 plus 5. You can read this also as 200 200s 55 55. Okay, in this way you can solve it. 255. Okay, solve it fast, take down fast, children. You can write here also 255. Finish, everyone. Now as we have solved A, B, C, we have done. Now D, E, F you will solve it as a homework. Okay. So in this way, have you copied down? Write down fast. Yes. Finish. So first A, B, C we had solved. Then D, E, F, 3 are remaining. You will solve it as a homework. Okay. Thank you very much.